Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front door belt molding on a Honda Ridgeline. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our hand and we're going to pull back on the molding. And when we pull back on it, you can see it kind of creates this gap here against this trim piece. And if you look down in that gap, and you can see on the reflection on the trim piece there's a clip. And on that clip, there's kind of looks like three parts of the clip. You got the two outer parts and then the middle. And so the middle is the part that we're going to need to pry on. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this is actually a radiator hose removal tool. And it's going to work perfect for this situation. And I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these. But you got to be careful with this trim piece. You don't want to scratch it. So if it helps, you can put a piece of tape on the trim piece just to be careful. And we're going to stick it around the belt molding, and then we're going to pry out on the middle of the clip. And it'll push that little tab back, and when we do that, it releases the tab from the door. And then while you're prying on that tab, you just want to use your other hand and put a little bit of pressure on the molding, kind of rolling it out towards you. And you will feel it give once that tab is released. Then you can go ahead and just open your door and then slide the molding back, and it just slides right off the car. And you can see right here, I'm coming around with the tool and I'm going around the clip, and then I'm pushing out on that middle tab, and that releases it. And that's it guys. That's how you remove your belt molding. Thanks for watching.